नमस्ते बच्चों। हाँ, अब हम व्याकरण में पाठ 5 नाम की जगह सर्वनाम। पहले हम संज्ञा के बारे में पढ़ा है ना। पाठ 4 में नाम वाले शब्द संज्ञा है। अब उस नाम की जगह हम सर्वनाम प्रयोग करने के बारे में पढ़ना है। ओके बच्चों, अब जाएंगे। ओके, आइए। पाठ का नाम सर्वनाम। सर्वनाम, ये सर्वनाम क्या है? क्या है सर्वनाम? सी, सर्वनाम ऐसे शब्दों को कहते हैं जिनका प्रयोग संज्ञा के स्थान पर होता है। सी, वह संज्ञा शब्द, मेनी वर्ड्स आर देयर इन सर्वनाम। सर्वनाम में बहुत सारे शब्दों हैं जिनका प्रयोग, वी आर यूजिंग दैट वर्ड इन संज्ञा, इन नेमिंग वर्ड्स। लेट मी सी what is that. Let me learn. Okay, now see what is the definition. सर्व का अर्थ है सब। सर्व का अर्थ है सब। So सर्व means all, सब means all. उस सर्व meaning is सब, all. So संज्ञा का अर्थ है नाम. So what is संज्ञा? संज्ञा, noun. What is the meaning for noun? Name. Okay, now सर्वनाम का अर्थ है, सर्वनाम means pronoun meaning. So सब नाम सर्वन, सर्व संज्ञा का अर्थ है नाम, I told you. Now सर्वनाम का अर्थ है, what is the meaning for सर्वनाम? सबका नाम, all names. Oh ma'am, you said नाम वाले, all the naming words called संज्ञा. Now you are saying all the names is सर्वनाम. Okay, let me see. What is that? Let me see, I'll show you. Yes, सर्वनाम. See, सर्वनाम परिभाषा, now definition. संज्ञा के स्थान पर इस्तेमाल होने वाले शब्दों को सर्वनाम कहते हैं। See, wherever the संज्ञा names, naming words, there we are using this सर्वनाम words. सरल शब्दों में, ये सरल शब्दों में सर्व, सर्व means सब, नामों संज्ञाओं के बदले जो शब्द आते हैं उन्हें सर्वनाम कहते हैं। We are taking the or naming names from there, and there we are using the sarvanam words. What are the sarvanam words? What the words we are using there? What you are saying? Yes, I will show. जैसे मैं, तू, वह, आप, कोई, यह, ये, वे, हम, तुम, कुछ, कौन, क्या, जो, सो, उसका, आदि. Example, जैसे means example. See how many words are given in sarvanam. So where and how we are going to use this. मैं, what is मैं? मैं means I. तू, तू means you. वह, he or she. आप, see, तू also I said you. आप also you. How? This is up for using for the elders. Elders, father, mother, grandfather, elder brother, for the elders, and the plural words. Two girls or two girls, four boys, like that we are saying, no? For that girls, boys, there we are using. I will show you some example. Koi means some. Koi, someone we are saying. Yah, this. Yah, vah means vah means he or she. Yah also the same. And then ye means we are saying no. Yah means he, she, like that. So ye, we, these, those, these, do, we means those. Hum means we. Tum means you. Yes, tum also we. Kuch means something. Kaun also sarvanam word. Who. Okay. Kya means what. Jo means so. Okay. So yes, so here also so. Uska, his, uski, hers, unka, theirs, them, like this it will come. Adi means example, like this. More examples are given like this. Okay, let me see here something. and here see sarvanam ki avashyakta. Why we want to use these sarvanam words? मैं, तू, वह, आप, कोई, यह, ये, वे, हम, तुम, कुछ, कौन, क्या, जो, सो आदि सर्वनाम शब्द है. All these examples are shown, no? These are called sarvanam words. Okay? अन्य सर्वनाम शब्द इन्हीं शब्दों से बने हैं. See, all these sarvanam, all we are getting from the all these words. जो लिंग, वचन, कारक की दृष्टि से रूप बदलते से. Whenever we are using these words in ling, genders, in singular, plural, and then karak means koi, ko, ka, ki will come there, no? For the sentences and all, it will be changing automatically. Okay, dear. Now, next one. Yes, now we can go to the next lesson, next part. Now, see here. Yes, we can go here. आप आदर के लिए, see some examples I'll show. It's gone down. Okay, dear. उदाहरण, see some examples. उदाहरण means example. So you can see the examples here. सीता कल गांव जा रही है. सीता कल गांव जा रही है. सीता is going to the village. सीता is going to the village. That is one example. सीता ने अपना सारा सामान बांध लिया है. सीता ने अपना सारा सामान बांध लिया है. See here also I'll tell the meaning. After that I'll explain. Sita started to tie all his things. Okay, बांध लिया है. सीता अपनी बड़ी बहन के साथ जाएगी. Yes, Sita is going along with his sister. Okay, सीता ने गांव के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है. See, Sita have heard more about that village. Okay, then Sita का बहुत मन था गांव जाने का. Sita was so anxious, so excited to go. Excited to बहुत मन का था गांव जाने. गांव means village. She was so excited to go to the village. See here, all the word red is given. Sita, see, only for one, all belong to the passage, one passage. Each and every sentence, Sita, Sita, Sita. Sita यहाँ बैठ, Sita वहाँ जा, Sita कुछ पी लो. We should not say that. What we want to use in the second sentence, third sentence, according to the sentence, it will be changed some words. So see, I'll come to the next one. Now see, Sita कल गांव जा रही है. Only first sentence, the word is given Sita. Yes, that is a girl name. That is Sita going to her village. Going to the village. So dash we saw there in the before second line. Here. See here, Sita ने अपने सारा सामान बांध लिया है. See here, second line. Sita ने. See again, Sita is here. But here, उसने. See what is given? She, उसने अपना सारा सामान बांध लिया है. सीता कल गांव जा रही है. Sita tomorrow going to the village. She tie the things. अपना सारा सामान बांध. She packed all the things like this. We can. She packed all the things. Okay. So second there. We can go to the third line here. Sita अपनी बड़ी बहन के साथ जाएगी. Sita is going to her with her elder sister. So what it is given? वो means she. वो अपनी बड़ी बहन के साथ जाएगी. She is going. She. We are using there in English. She is going along with her elder sister. Then here again. सीता ने गांव के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है. She heard something about that village. So she was so excited for that. So उसने वहां के बारे में, वहां means what is वहां? गांव के बारे में. वहां means that place. वहां के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है. She heard something about that place. What is that? Yes, गांव, village के बारे में. Next now I will show here last line. सीता का बहुत मन था गांव जाने का. सीता का बहुत मन था. She was so excited. See again Sita is there. So, but what it is given here, uska, she. See, for everything we are saying she. But in Hindi it will change. Uska bahut man tha, usne, no, it will not come. Uska bahut man tha wahan जाने का. उसने वहां की बारे में कुछ बहुत कुछ सुना है. उसने वो उसका बहुत मन था वहां जाने का. For her mind, she was so excited. So that is belong to her mind. So what feelings? So it will come usna, uska man. Uska man is her feelings. So excited. So we want not she, her mind, her feeling. So we want to use their uska man. बहुत मन था वहां जाने का. See, how many words are used? Sarvan, these are called usne, wo, wahan, uska. What are these words? These words are called sarvanam. Okay, so यहाँ देखिए, आप आदर के लिए प्रयोग होता है. आप, see why we are, where we are using this आप for आदर. आदर means respected. For respected person we are using आप. आदर के लिए प्रयोग होता है. आप, see one example. आप आइए. Your uncle is coming to your home, or your grandmother or someone relatives are coming to your home. Your friends are coming. So your dad friend is coming. Well, how will you tell for them? आप. You should not say tum आओ. Tum means for younger one. Without giving respected, without respected person, for younger ones only you want to tell tum, tu, like this. So respected person you want to tell them आप अंदर आइए. आप आदर के लिए प्रयोग होता है. Next one, तू अनादर के लिए. तू means another. Why we are saying तू जाओ, तुम जाओ, तुम बैठो, तू यहाँ आओ, like this. Another means unrespected. We are not giving respect to whom we are not giving respect. Our younger ones we are not giving. Yes, यहाँ बैठो, बैठ जाओ, like this. For small children we are saying itu. Okay, so this is the difference. Now we can go to the lesson. नाम की जगह कर. See here, नाम की जगह, in place of noun, pronoun. नाम की जगह, in place of noun, pronoun. So नाम की जगह सर्वनाम. So have you seen सर्वनाम? Yes, नाम की जगह सर्वनाम, in place of noun, pronouns. चित्र को देखिए और पढ़िए. इंदु और ईशा बहते हैं. बहने हैं. इंदु और ईशा बहने हैं. वे बगीचे में खेल रही है. See here, first I'll tell this. चित्र को देखिए और पढ़िए. See the picture and read. See, Indu or Isha. This girl name is Indu and this red pant name is Isha. The Indu or Isha. Indu and Isha are sisters. बहने हैं. वे बगीचे में खेल रही है. They are playing. For see second line it came to, again it is not used. Indu and Isha खेल रही है. For that they are playing. They means वे बगीचे में खेल रही है. वे they are playing in the garden. Okay, ये वे, like this we are saying, no, so that उन्हें एक साथ खेलना अच्छा लगता है. उन्हें means for both they are very eager to play with each. Okay, so they were happy to play with each. They are like this we can tell. Yes, see in the second picture, Anil doctor has. See, one man is sitting, his name is Anil. Anil doctor has. See, where and all you are using the pronoun words, all in the names. Only in the names you are using. So pronouns are using in the names, place of nouns. Okay, so vah means he. Why we are using here they and here he? Vah, because ve means plural words. There are two girls, so they means we want to use their ve. So here only one doctor, so he we are using. For he we are saying in Hindi, वह मरीजों का इलाज कर रहा है. Marijo means those who are get affected from the illness or disease. For them he is treating them. He is treating for the disease people. Okay, उसका स्वभाव बहुत अच्छा है. किसका? अनिल का. उसका means, why means only one. So unka, uska. See, for the respected we want to give uska. See, like this, we want to use the words for everyone. Uska swabhav. Swabhav, what is the meaning for swabhav? Always he used to treat the people in very eagerness and so politeness. So everyone likes him. How politely he is talking, how natural, how everyone likes to go to that doctor. So bahut acha hai, so good, very good, like this. And then see third picture here. माँ ने मुझे मिठाई दी. माँ ने, who is माँ? Mother. मुझे means, see, listen carefully. I said for मैं, I. Here, माँ ने मुझे मिठाई दी. माँ मुझे मिठाई दी. Mother gives me a sweet. Mother gave me a sweet. मैंने मिठाई खाई. मैंने मिठाई खाई. I ate the sweet. I ate. मैंने, see, मैंने, I ate sweet. माँ ने तुम्हें मिठाई दी. माँ ने तुम्हें मिठाई दी. Mother gave you sweet. Okay. Next one. माधव विद्यालय जा रहा है. माधव विद्यालय जा रहा है. माधव is going to the school. हम, we, विद्यालय जा रहे हैं. हम means we are going to school. See, माधव विद्यालय जा रहा है. हम विद्यालय जा रहे हैं. See the sentence. One boy is saying, I am going to school, and many boys are going. No. So in the picture, we are going to school. We are going to the school. हमें, why we are going to school? हमें, why we are going to school? Question there. See the answer. हमें पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है. I like to read. So this is the meaning for this. Yes. Here, इन वाक्यों में छपे शब्द, see, in इंदु, ईशा, अनिल, माँ, माधव, सभी संज्ञा शब्द है. All these words, इंदु, ईशा, अनिल, माँ, माधव, all naming words, संज्ञा शब्द है. इनकी जगह, see, or instead of his name, what it is used? वे, उन्हें, वह, उसका, मुझे, मैंने, तुम्हें, तुम्हें, हम, हमें शब्दों का प्रयोग हुआ है. इसके प्रयोग से भाषा सरल और सुंदर बन गई है. सुंदर बन गई है. ये सभी क्या शब्द होता है? सर्वनाम शब्द होता है. ये इनके प्रयोग से भाषा सरल और सुंदर बन गई है. It is very, after using all these words, every time Sita sit here, Sita go and sit here, Sita come here, Sita bring water. It will be irritating for Sita, Sita, Sita. So instead of that, bring some water. Go and call her. She is very beautiful. Like this, if you use, keeping on using like this, the sentence will be for reading very beautiful. So इनको हम सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Okay, dear. Next, now we can go. Next, we can go to the next part. So what we are using here, धन्यवाद बच्चों.